think in Indonesian is mikir. Mikir.
Okay, all done.
How about the another leaf?
What?
This one. Written this as spinach.
Spinach.
Yes.
Spinach.
Spinach vegetable.
Vegetable. It's leaf.
You're cooking on your stove.
Stove.
Yeah. Okay, you finish.